Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are awesome and I am also fantastic. Okay, dear kids, today we will discuss about somewhat new topic. But before coming to the point, tell me how many alphabets are there in English language? Yes, there are 26 alphabets in English language. Very good. And how many consonants are there in English language? Yes, 21 consonants are there in English language. And how many vowels are there? 5. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. How many vowels are there? 5. A, E, I, O, U. So, what we call definite article? A. The is called definite article, and what we call to indefinite article? A and N. So students, just have a look here. Articles are of two types, definite and indefinite. Definite that we call the, and indefinite A or N. Just have a look through some examples. What is this? This is marker. क्या है? What is this? Marker. So before marker, what should become? It come a marker. And if I said I have an MA B.Ed, I have completed my MA B.Ed. MA B.Ed. Before MA, what should we say? We write N because there is vowel sound. When there is vowel or vowel sound, we should use N, not a. And next thing is that, what is this? This is a pen. This is dash pen. What we said to pen? It is indefinite or definite? Indefinite. Students, definite means the thing that is particular. That is definite. We can't move on. And indefinite, the things that are not definite. Likewise, there is dash pen, a pen. Just have a look there. What is it, students? It is an onion. So, onion. What is the spell of onion? O-N-I-O-N. Before onion, what should we write? An. And next thing is that, what is it? Doctor generally use that dash apple a day keeps the doctor away. So, what is it? An. Why N is there? Because apple, A sound, A alphabet is there. That's why we use A. N. And next thing is that this is dash orange. Its color is also orange. So what is it? N or A? Yes, N. And just look at this board. It is white board. White. क्या साउंड आ रही है? W साउंड आ रही है. तो what should we use? A. And what is this? This is an iron stand. Iron stand. I for iron. So before vowels, what are our vowel sound? A, E, I, O, U na. So iron, I-R-O-N, iron. तो iron stand, iron के से पहले क्या लगेगा? N. What is it? You can say it in Hindi, press. If we say that press, then it is, before press we use a, because press is the consonant sound. If we said that it is an iron, before iron we should use an. Next thing is that, oh, I want to comb my hairs. I think it's not properly combed. So, before comb my hairs, before comb, what should we use? A. Because it's a consonant sound. And next thing is that, just look at this picture. What is this? This is umbrella. Umbrella, U for, we generally ask from the nursery or pre-nursery student, beta, what is this? This is dash umbrella and umbrella. U for umbrella. So before umbrella we should use and. Next thing is that there is a CD. There are two CDs. This is a CD. This is dash CD, a CD. And this is also dash CD, a CD. And next thing is that, oh, do you know what is it? What it is? What I have written here? I have written Psalm. Psalm means what I said to you about Psalm? Bhajan. So it is a diary. Before diary, what should we write? Before diary or dairy, whether it is diary and whether it is dairy, what should we write? Diary मालूम है ना क्या होता है? Do you know what is the meaning of diary? Diary होता है in which you write your personals, and dairy where you bring milk, from where you bring milk. And this is an English grammar book. Before English we should use and, because and vowel is there. Got my words? And next thing is that there is what? There is dash pen, a pen. Now these are the examples of A or an. If I said that I am dash honest person, honest, what is the spell of honest? Just listen carefully. HONEST. You think that, ma'am, honest spelling is HONEST. It starts from H, so A should be there. No, bacho. It creates a sound of O. Speak like that. Honest man, honorable person. Owl. तो ये सब क्या sound create कर रहे हैं? O sound. तो before honest, honorable, owl we should use and. This is clear to all. This is, what is this? This is dash curtain. Before curtain, what is the spell of curtain? CURTAIN, curtain. It starts from C na. So C is a consonant sound. Before consonant sound we should use a. Now next thing is about definite article. Definite article is used before superlative degree, before any monument, just like Taj Mahal. Before Taj Mahal we should use the. Before superlative degree we should use the. Just like I always chant, he is dash most intelligent person in the class. Most intelligent, it is superlative degree. That's why we use before most superlative degree the. I think these all are clear to everyone. I think it's enough from my side. Thank you. Have a fruitful day.